but I had a lot of personal things going on. I was a psychiatrist, crap like that.
Oh, you went in psychiatrist? Why you went psychiatrist?
Because I had anger issues.
Ang laki pasasalamat ko sa kapitbahay ko. Yung kapitbahay natin, wag nating awayin. Aray. Hello, where did you? Look, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
You go finish your dindin. I'm not giving you Bonsi because you don't finish your dindin. You go eat your dindin and I will give you your treaties. Go finish your dindin. I'm not giving you Bonsi. You have to finish your dindin before I'll give you Boon. And then we can go out later. It's snowing outside again, oh. It's snowing outside and Dada's still not here. Go finish your dindin. You go finish your dinner. Go eat your dindin. Do you want some bonsai? Go finish your dindin. Where's your dindin? You didn't eat your dindin. You didn't. Good morning, everything family. Good morning. I know, nalilipong na kayo. But good morning. Today is, ano ngayon? Tuesday. And it's almost 8 o'clock na, guys. It's been snowing since 3 o'clock in the morning. So, makapal na naman yung snow sa labas. Nandyan pa yung snow pero hindi pa rin nakukuha. Nadagdagan pa siya. And then, kailangan kong pumunta sa basement kasi kukuha tayo ng turkey para sa aso. Sabi pa ni Tami, meron daw dito. So, let's say. Alam nyo naman, ako lang dito mag-isa. So, mamaya lalabas tayo. For sure, makapal na din yung snow. So, yun. At saka mabigat kasi umulan din. Sabi pa ni Tami, may ano daw dito. Hi, plant. Hala, ang daming turkey, guys. Tignan nyo yan. Ang daming turkey. Ang daming turkey. Tignan nyo, guys. Hala, ang daming turkey. Yung kapitbahay namin, nag-ano ng mga pinakain yung mga ibon, pero yung turkey yung kumakain. Anong nangyari sa inyo? Gutom din sila, guys. Hold on, guys, ha. Gutom din yung mga yun ba? Ay, kawawa naman ito. Ay, nag-isno talaga, guys. Ah? Tumataas yung isno. Ay, kawawa man sila. Ay, sana meron akong pang ano. pang bigay sa kanya. Ito yung morning natin. Kawawang mga turkey. Swimming pool ng kapitbahay namin. Yarn. Hindi talaga kinaya na mamatay talaga siya. Iwan ko na lang sa'yo talaga. Bakit ka na mamatay? Huh? Hindi mo kinaya? Si Mango buhay pa. Ito masaya, thank God. At ito din. Ito kay Lloydie yan. Ito sa akin. So, kung may mamatay na isa, kung mamatay yung isa sa kanila, wala na kay Lloydie. Kaya kailangang mabuhay kayo. Yun, extra lang yan. So hanap tayo ng turkey. Kasi pa, sabi pa niya, Han, we have turkey. So, let's find a turkey. And guys, bumili ako ng ice cream kahapon. Sabi ko, bibili tayo ng ice cream. Kaloka ka. Bakit? Ikaw lang ba marunong? Ha? No, we don't have a turkey here. Is Tommy out of his mind? No, we don't have a turkey. Yung asawa ko, may ice cream tayo. Nakalimutan ko yan kagabi. Hindi ako kumain kagabi kasi. Yun na yung sabaw lang punti. Yun, no turkey. And let's, sabi pa niya sa flat freezer daw, there's no turkey here. He's really imagining something. And let's find it here. Wala ding turkey. My husband is dreaming. Oh, yeah, oh, lala. Oh, my husband is dreaming. I'm going to tell him na wala kaming turkey. Ang ginaw dito sa ilalim ng bahay. Ang ginaw. Buti na lang nakasurvive yung mga anak natin. And tignan natin yung harapan ng bahay natin. Para naman malalaman natin na nagbaha na naman sa ano. Diba gumagawa ako ng daan? Yung daanan namin. Para akong nagbubungkal ng kanal. So yun. Meron na naman makapal. Napagod ako sa mga ganitong style. Snow ngayon, bukas wala. The next day meron na naman. So, winter is really real. 3 to 7 inches daw yung snow. Nagtitik itong sister-in-law ko. Palagi akong tinatakot nito. Palagi akong tinatakot. Sinasabihan na, oh, ang lakas ng snow. Ngayon, sobrang ng lakas. So, mangyayari in Degengeng, ang taas. Sabi, hindi ko ni-reply ano eh. Nakakaloka na. Nag-avoid ako mag-ano. Tinatakot po talaga ako. Alam ko naman na malakas yung snow ngayon. Palagi na lang nag-i-snow ba? So, taas-taas na yung ano. Iwan ko, matabunan na talaga ako nito. Hindi pa nga ano nakuha yung ano. Nagtitext pa. Tinatakot-takot pa ako. Hindi man yung tinatakot. Nagwa-warn lang siya ba? Mystic Gum! Hurry up! Kayo, ha? Ako pa yung magbigay ng pagkain. Ako pa yung lalapit sa inyo. Ano ka kayo? Kayong lahat na. Parang nag-aakna na parang gutom. Walang kinakain sa buhay, ha? Huwag mo akong tatakbuhan, ha? Sobrang early pa. Uy, Ginoo ko, magluto pa ako ng rice ako. Hindi pa nga ako nakapagluto sa akin, ha? Hindi ko pa napakain yung sarili ko. Kayo, gutom na naman. O hindi pa nga nag-10 o'clock. Kaluka kayo, ha? Ay, nako. So, si Tammy, tumawag. Hindi pa daw nag-snow doon. I think nag-start na ngayon. Tawagan nga natin, B. I-FaceTime natin, B. Ay, nako. Nakatapos na akong napag-i-edit. Nakapaglaro na tayo. Nanalo na tayo pangalawang beses. And then yun. Undang muna tayo. Kasi tawagan natin si Mr. FaceTime natin. Kasi na-miss ko yung kigwahon. Sana wala ito sa bathroom.
Hello?
Are you in the bathroom?
I'm not in bed.
Huh?
What are you watching?
Nothing.
Camera.
Say hi to everything.
You what?
Say hi to everything.
Morning, everything.
So what's going on? It's snowing over there?
Not yet.
Not yet?
8 o'clock seemed to be way off whack.
Nothing yet?
Nothing. It's almost 10. You're already 2 hours out of whack.
Did you check the weather app?
I did not. Because I went with what you told me. I just assumed that what you told me was right. You can check the app.
Andrea sent a you have the school review when you were grade 9?
Who?
Grade 9. A record?
Green line?
When you were in elementary school, grade 9.
Okay. 9th grade. That's not elementary school. That's junior high school.
Okay, junior, okay. It says here, your report card.
Oh, bad.
Oh my God.
I used to cut classes. I used to do all kinds of crap.
There is another one here that is really scary. It's really you. It says here, the report card, oh. It says here, you're very low in mechanical reasoning. it's like 25. Your high is the space relations.
Spatial relations. Yeah, but it's not true. According to my IQ test, that's not true. But I didn't go to any classes, so yeah. All right. Playing strip poker in class.
And you have a good one also. You have abstract reasoning.
Yeah, that's me. I'm abstract.
What is abstract reasoning, Han?
That means you can think outside the box.
It's really scary. You are mechanical reasoning. You cannot do mechanical.
Yeah, now think about that for a second, okay?
I know, but the thing is, you won't finish.
Well, no, I had nothing to finish. Those were not. Of course, I finished, hon. But I had a lot of personal things going on. I was a psychiatrist, crap like that.
Oh, you went in psychiatrist? Why you went psychiatrist?
Because I had anger issues. I got angry and punched things.
Really? Oh my God, hon.
I just had issues, hon. That's all. And I was very anti-establishment, so I fought against it. Whatever you try to tell me, I wanted to fight against it.
Yeah, you're crazy.
Yeah, I'm the same.
It says, the teacher here, it says, Tom can do so much better work, but his attitude has changed and he doesn't seem to care. if he would, I don't know, put in a little more effort and study more, his grades would go up.
Oh well.
Do you remember teacher Mrs. Ackerman?
Yes, I do.
Spanish?
I do.
Counselor Mr. Santoro?
I don't remember him too much.
Naboboryo na ako, guys, sa snow. Tingin ako sa labas. Walang katapusang snow. Yun, tumaas yung snow, walang katapusang. Taas na. Kailangan ko nang gamitan ng machine. Tugudugudugudugudug. Ganito yung buhay, guys. Stuck tayo sa bahay, guys. COVID na nga. Nasa bahay lang tayo. Nag-snow pa. The girl changing. Conversation. I never go this far. Tong talong long. Isok long. Alam nyo ba, guys, dito yung upstate, lalo na sa mga pinaka-upstate na talaga dito sa New York, sa mga ibang state, sa Vermont, ganon. Yung mga snow ba at saka malakas na snow, paminsan, guys, they can't open the door because the door is covered, like as in hindi makalabas. So yun yung mga makikita nyo yan sa YouTube, guys, yung mga ganon, yung buried in the snow, and then pag open sa door, hindi na ma-open kasi mataas na yung snow. Paminsan yung mga hayop nagdidig na, naghigawa-gawa ng tunnel, ganon. Ako pag ganon na, matatakot na ako. Hindi ka na makalabas, maghintay ka na ilang buwan bago mag-melt yung snow. Ako matatakot na akong ganyan. Damn. Dry food is life, damn. Damn. What do you want, damn? Ondoy, gutom naman, oy. Gutom na. Gutom? Oh, gutom? Aloy, gutom naman na. Wa na. Humihingi na ng pagkain. Wa na. Ganyan yan, guys. Kapag gutom, hihingi na. Oh, yung katawan niya is kahit na bagid na. Okay, I'll give you something. Tignan nyo yan, ha? Kapag pupunta ako nun, tatakbo yan. Yan, tatakbo yan. Klap. Okay. Ay! Another bubble.
Feet backwards. Wow. Hell of a journey. I'm on the old,
Ay, kakain tayo, guys. Nanonood lang ako ng video.
the old fish wing.
Teka muna. Simple lang yung sabaw. Wala masyadong asin. Which is good. Hindi maparat, hindi matabang. Konting tabang na rin. So, yun. Pero mas mabuti yung ganun. Yung may siya, yung taba, guys, galing sa bone marrow ba. Sarap yan. Yes. Yung gutom na wala ka nang, hindi ka na, ayaw mo nang magsalita. Yun yung klaseng gutom. Matigas. Pero masarap. The rice is hot. Yeah. Sarap ng suka. Sobrang init. Sarap. Ito yung sa loob ng bone marrow. Let's try. Let's try a little bit. Ayoko siyang kainin. Hindi ko siya type. Sa sobrang laki, gusto ko siya pag yung fry. Pero pag ganito, next time tayo, baboy. 360 na, guys. Lalabas lang ako para maglinis sa driveway. Nag-i-snow pa rin siya. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin sa labas, guys, kasi ang ginaw. Nag-i-snow pa rin. Masakit yung mata ko sa kakaedit at sa kakalaro. Nakakapagod yung maglinis. So, as in talaga. Itong snow talaga. Pero isipin ko na lang ito lang yung problema ko. May malaki man kaming problema, pero itong paglilinis sa driver dahil sa snow, wala ito sa problema ng iba. So, isipin lang natin, kailangan natin gawin. Part of life. Oh my God. So, it's 3:70 na ngayon. Anyway, so, labas lang ako. I don't know kung anong plano ni Tamimoy. Ito man yung problema ko. Kapag may gagawin ako, yung lubot ko din ba, yung puwet ko makipag-usap din sa akin. Sabihin niya, oops, huwag kang lalabas. Open sesame muna ako.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, nakabalik na ako. Nakabalik na ako dahil ang laki pasasalamat ko sa kapitbahay ko. Yung kapitbahay natin, wag nating awayin. Wag natin awayin yung kapitbahay natin. Anyway. So, hold on guys ha. So guys, nag-shovel ako doon guys. So, di ba yung flat area guys, ginawa ko guys. Sabi ko, mamamatay na ako. Ganun ako. Ginawa ko. Ano na ako. So, suddenly, ano na ako. Ito guys, ang nangyayari doon guys. Sabi, sobra kong seryoso. Sabi ko, yung sipon ko tumutulo na ba dahil sa ginaw. And, yung katawan ko is basang-basa, sabi ko. Nandun pa ako sa top, yung pababa na ako. Tapos na ako dito, kaya pagod na pagod ako. Sus, merong taong gumaganon. Hey! Like that, hey! Sabi ko, ay, pisti animal. Nagulat. Guys, magugulatin akong tao. Magugulatin akong tao. So, seryoso kung ganun. Loko, ang daming snow. Ganun. And then, sabi pa na isa, hey, ganun. Sabi ko, ay, pisti animal. Natawa siya, guys. Natawa siya. Ang ano pala niya, sinabihan, sabi ko, ay, sorry. Sabi ko, sorry. Kaya, alam nyo naman ako, guys. Sabi ko, sorry. Sabi pa niya, I came out here, I'm gonna get the kunin ko, I'm going to turn my snowblower for you. I'm going to help you. So, tinulungan niya ako, guys. She helped me, and I said, first, natulala ako. Do I have to say no or do I have to say yes? Sabi niya sa akin, I'm going to help you. She said it twice because ay natulala man ako. And then sabi ko, oh, thank you so much. I said, no problem. And then she did it. I never saw her doing that, doing that because she's, mostly wife here. Don't do anything of that. Don't do anything like that. So, first time kong nakita siyang, nag-ganon, tinulungan niya ako. And then, siya yung sa baba, ganun, back and forth. Kasi ganun, like, driveway namin pag ganun, sobrang taas. So sabi ko, oh my God, so thank you so much. So, ngayon, bibili ako ng wine. Meron naman tayong mga wine dyan, pero gusto kong bilhan siya ng magandang wine. Pasasalamat, guys. Kinuha ko, guys. Kung hindi pa niya ako tinulungan, andun pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. It's 5:30 na. Yeah, so yun, 5:30 na. Sabi ko talaga, thank you so much. Sabi niya, anytime. She said, anytime. Ayan. I'm so thankful. Yun yung kapitbahay na yung babae na nag-aaway sila. Mabait. Tracy yung pangalan niya. Yun yung kapitbahay na palagi kong binibigyan ng tomato. Hindi yung palaging kausap ni Tami yung isa. Yung hindi namin kausap palagi. Pero palagi ko yan binibigyan ng tomato. Kasi palagi silang nasa backyard nila every summer. So every time na palagi ko yung bibigyan ng tomato. Sabi ko, hey, do you want tomato? Tomato at cucumber. Kasi diba, you remember last summer, ang dami nating tomato at saka cucumber, as in talaga. So yan, kaya every time na makita ko sila doon, bigyan ko. Hindi naman every time, pero palagi ko silang binibigyan kasi yung tomato ko talaga is grabe. Si Habs Bakay, parang gutom na gutom talaga ito. Kumakabot na dito. Okay, so, I'm so thankful for her. Tinulungan ako. Sabi ko, oh, I have one in the garage, but I don't know how to use it. Sabi pa niya, oh, I don't know either, but my husband I have to ask my husband to teach me. Where is he? Are you guys happy to see him? Hello, where is Dodo? Hi, Dada. We miss you. Oh, we miss you, Dada. How are you?
I know you. Oh, you have to jump. Is that necessary? Yes. Thank you for kisses. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for kisses too. Hi, little man.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna feed my husband, guys. Pakainin lang na. I have to feed him because he doesn't know how to open his mouth and put some spoon or fork in there. Hey, that's not what we're gonna eat now. What did you get?
This is the stuff from the other house before I go to bed.
Why, you went to the store?
No.
There's more salad for you. Now you have to keep eating salad. I get more salad in there.
Okay.
You have 2 bags now. So, no, ang dami ng salad ni Mister na kakainin. Pumunta siya sa baba, guys. Naghanap ng turkey kasi sabi ko walang turkey. So, ngayon siya yung naghanap. So, let's see kung may nakita ba siya. Aray. Hello, where did you... Look, guys. Hello, this is what I said, guys.
Oh, I look really good. It's up there.
I did, Han. I digged in.
Yeah.
Han, can you get your plate? It's
3 of them.
3 of... Where did you put it, Tommy?
It's in the freezer.
Yeah, I know. I look at the freezer and I digged in. I dig the pork. I dig the
Apparently you
thing.
not.
Honey, you hide it somewhere.
That's what I did on it.
You put it in the garage.
Yeah, okay.
It's cold. How's your back? Honey? I'm gonna put something now? I'm going to put something. Huh?